Hey YouTube, this is John2212 is the best, also known as JL Tech, and today I've got a quite advanced tutorial for you guys. It's going to be level intermediate, and this time we have a Visual Basic tutorial of advanced auto typer. So if you don't know what that is, it just continuously types text due to your selected duration. First, what you want to do is you're going to open your project. Make sure it's a Visual Basic Windows Forms application and rename it to whatever you want. So I'll just do auto typer for YouTube, or whatever, for YouTube, I don't really care. So this is quite an advanced tutorial. It'll be over 15 minutes actually, maybe. So now what you want to do when you get the form, you're going to click the form. You can rename it to whatever you want. So the text, I'll just do auto typer. And make sure the maximize box equals false. And form border style is fixed 3D. Now that that's done, this is optional, but you will add a tab control. This is optional, you don't have to do this. This is only if you want an about tab, so if you don't want an about tab, then never mind. Don't worry about this if you don't. So I'll just name this as main. And this one is about. Now if you don't want that tab control, then don't worry about all this. Now once we go to main, or if you don't have an about page, they're just normal, you're gonna add one text box. So just go ahead and click the text box and try to resize it to it. Make sure you click this arrow, make it multi-line so it kind of fits in like that. Now you're going to click the tab or the form, and you're going to change the background color to whatever you like. So I'll just change it to that. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to add two buttons. So one will read begin, and one will read stop. And now we're going to add, you're going to add a numeric up down. So where's the numeric up down? Oh, right here. Stupid. And you're going to change the value to 1. So yeah, you're going to change the minimum to 1. So you can't do it every. And now you're going to add a label right here. You're going to say, and you're going to add another label. This one should read nothing. And you're going to add another label. This one should read seconds. So the blank label is right there and you can't see it. So that's pretty much it for the design, I think. And alright, we forgot about the timer. We need a timer, that's very important. Gonna click the timer, add it there. For the timer to 1000. Very important. So yeah. Now for the coding. We're going to, for the begin button, or start button in this case, go copy all this code and I'll explain to you. But actually you're not going to copy it because I'm not going to show you guys. You have to type this all out because I want you guys to learn. Paste that. So what this means is, oops, get rid of that. Timer 1 interval. Yeah. Timer 1 start, so yeah, so label 1 is currently typing at that numeric 1 text and then space second. So that's what label 1, actually label 2 in this case, should say. So yeah, and this means like label numeric 1's text, so yeah. I think there's something missing. Now, in the stop button, this is the text. Well, we'll just delete all that, so just, yeah. Now for the timer coding, we are going to, yeah, pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to save that first. Now if you want the about tab, you can type about info here, blah blah blah, and yeah. So once we start up the app, you can type whatever you want. If we start at Notepad and we click start, every 1 second it'll type that. Amazing. Now if we do it every 5 seconds, every 5 seconds it'll type that, but we're not done yet. When we double click the start button, we're going to do button 2.enabled equals true. So once we go, click the stop button and find enabled, make that false. So once we double click stop, button 1.enabled equals false. So, and button 1.enabled equals true. So yeah, so when you start it up right now, this is not clickable, so you can't stop it when there's nothing to stop. And once you click start, the start button stopped. So yeah, pretty simple. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and there'll be no question of the day because I can't be bothered to think of one. Lol. Thanks for watching.